Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use a double-sided connector to connect two sets or two lengths of RGB strip. Firstly, as always, I'm going to just start by exposing the actual copper just to help with a better connection point. And I'm going to do that on both sets of the strip. There we go. And then simply open up our connector, and as you'll see, just slide it in underneath like that. Close that side of the cap and do the same for the other. Close the cap. And that is how you join two sets of RGB strip light.